Hey guys, I just got this new bathroom mat from Amazon and I am so excited to open it up. I didn't even know this kind of bathroom mat existed, but I want to test it out. So I've got a thing of water over here, just a small thing with a paper towel here, so we can try it and test the absorbency. One of the cool things that I noticed as I was pulling this out of the box a minute ago is that the underside comes with this it's kind of like, I forget what you call it, but it's like a rubber thing underneath that's going to help keep that in place and keep it from like sliding around on the floor. Now this is like, it feels like it's very firm, solid, right? Like a solid piece. And I'll let you see this up close. We'll take a look. Look at that. Really nice. Really nice. Okay, let's take, I'm gonna just dab this. Got this really like dripping in water right here. So we're just gonna wipe this over it. That is pretty cool. That's really wild, the way that that absorbs it. There's nothing I really can't stand more than a really wet bath mat. So it's nice sometimes that they're soft, but it's not great when, you know, if someone uses a shower before you and then you step out and it's all damp. So this is nice because it just absorbs it, which is pretty crazy. You can see there where I was holding the wet cloth under there. And look at how that's just starting to fade. That's so wild. Oh my gosh. I just really didn't even know that something like this existed with made from diatomaceous earth, which is super cool. I've just never seen it. I've only seen diatomaceous earth in like a powder form before. I've never seen it in a solid state. So this is really, really cool. Anyway, I hope this was helpful for you. I'm excited to put this down in my bathroom. Glad to be able to see how that works. And yeah, I hope you have a great day, guys.